Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 4, Play, and our topic is reading comprehension and naming action words. SLOs of this lesson are: know how to play and write appropriate naming and action words to identify an object or an action in a picture. In this lesson, we are going to read this poem about play on page number 19. Let's start from here. The first stanza. I jump, I shake, I dance, I hope, I like to move, I cannot stop. I scoot and roll across the floor, I spin in circles out the door. I run outside, I leap, I skip, I bounce, I slide, I sweep. Swing, I flip, but I'm still careful. I don't trip. This poem is written by Lil Pluta. As you can see, all of these children are moving, shaking, dancing, hopping, skipping, sliding, swinging and flipping. All the children here are in action, moving, shaking, हिल रहे, hopping, छलांग मार रहे, move कर रहे. They can't stop. Scooting and rolling, spin है, घूम रहे हैं circles में. Skipping भी कर रहे हैं, रस्सी कूद रहे हैं. This one is skipping here. Bounce कर रहे हैं, झूल रहे हैं, slide भी कर रहे हैं. झूला भी झूल रहे हैं, swinging and flipping. हवा में झूल रहे हैं. But I'm still careful. लेकिन क्या है, केयरफुल भी है ताकि चोट ना लगे. आई डोंट ट्रिप, लेकिन मैं गिर नहीं रहा. पोएम लिखी है लिल प्लूटा ने. दिस वॉज अ फन पोएम अबाउट प्लेइंग. एज यू कैन सी ऑल ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन प्लेइंग इन द पार्क हियर. Page number 20 of your textbook, we have an exercise here, reading comprehension. List a pair of rhyming words of the poem. So what are the rhyming words? Rhyming words are those words which end with the same sound, which sounds the same. Like you can see, hop and stop, hop and stop. The same sound at the end. Roll and floor and also the door. Outside and slide, flip and trip. So here are for you the pairs: stop and hop, roll and floor, skip and trip, outside and slide. Question 2 here. What do you do when you play? Write the verbs. Verbs are action words like skipping, rolling, running, swinging, all this. You have to write those words when you play. Like you run, you skip, you swing, you flip, you skip. What do? You have to write it your own here. This is the task from your workbook, page number 19. Read the given words aloud and guess 2 rhyming words from each of the following word. Ask your siblings to help you write the rhyming words in the given place. So this is the activity here. Which sounds the same? The rhyming word which I told you, the rhyming words which end with the same sound, like shake, hop and stop. Yes, these 2 here sounds the same. Hop and stop. The second one, door, circles and floor. Yes, the door and floor. The third one, careful, flip or trip. Yes, flip and trip. This is your homework from Summer Pack. Question 2. Read the poem and complete the following sentences. Also underline the action words in the poem. What are the action words? Like jump and shake, which indicates to the physical movement. Read the poem first and then complete it. This is also your homework from Summer Pack. Page number 32, the same exercise. You have to read the poem and complete the sentences here.